Do you still get low views whenever you post short videos on YouTube? If yes, you're on the right channel. Because on this channel, I'm going to show you how to upload short the right way and get views at the same time. Everybody can post short videos, being it either your mom, your dad, your cousins, and your sisters. But there is one question. Do they upload short the right way? Because there are some features they need to apply, whether using your phone, your YouTube Chrome version, your YouTube Studio, your YouTube app, they are all the same.
Now let me show you how to post short videos on YouTube. First of all, there are two ways to post short videos on YouTube. Either you use your phone to record yourself, or you are going to crop 30 seconds video from your long form video to make a short. The reason why you need to crop a 30 seconds video, maybe your long form is making tons of views, so we have to go for that long video because that's what's going to make your short video also go viral. So we'll be using InShot for this project. You tap on video, go to the plus sign, and we'll look for my long form video here, which is at the top there. 5.20 seconds. We'll tap on it and click on add. Okay, so once it's loading, there is one thing: most people don't remove the watermark. You just click on it, it will load, then disappear. As you can see, there is no watermark. Okay, so this is how you are going to crop your short video from your long form. So you are going to listen to your video very well and crop the important parts. I mean, the part which makes sense, because it's a short video and short audience don't have time to read your descriptions, your title, whatever. What makes them stay longer on your channel? The beginning of your video, when it makes sense, forget, they'll stay longer on your channel. So I had to listen to myself carefully and crop the part I think is best. So I tap on split to cut the video, and I went to the other side to tap on split again. So I had 20 seconds short video, so I had to delete the beginning and the end because the shorts was in the middle, so I had to remove both sides. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. We are going to look for aspect ratio. In CapCut it shows aspect ratio, but in InShot it shows canvas. So since it's a YouTube short, we'll choose our 9 by 16, which shows our TikTok symbol. Then we will then zoom it. Okay, adjust it very well to make it look nice on your short feed. I think it's okay now. Alright, so we'll then move to export. Since a short video is not even going to drain your data, it's even 18.8 megabytes, then you save. So we are going to upload our video, so we'll go to YouTube Studio and wait for it to load. Still waiting. Okay, so that's my channel. So we are going to tap on the plus button over there at the top. Still waiting for it to load. Actually my phone is running, so please forgive me. So that's my video over there. It's being tapped. Okay, so here first we need to look at our title first. Since it's not a entertainment video, it's a sports video, it's educational video. The topic is going to be how to get more views on YouTube. You can see how to get views on YouTube. Alright, so we'll scroll down. Then at the visibility, private private for now, because there's more things you are going to do. Alright, we'll go back, click on show more. So here is very important. Select audience is very important. Yeah, you see it says yes, it's made for kids. As you can see, my video is not made for kids, so I clicked on no, it's not made for kids. So I went back. I think that's all for now. So I had to upload. We are not done. So it's still processing and processing up to HD. Okay, so it's done. So now we are going to tap on our video again. Tap on the pencil shown at the top because we are not done. So we are back to our editing again. Tap on show more. And now this is what we are going to add. We are going to add hashtags because the title we forgot to add hashtag. Okay, so hashtag more views, things which is related to my niche. That's what I'm going to jot down. Okay. So we will come down to add descriptions. Same thing, how to make more views on YouTube. With here, you're not going to add any hashtags because we've already add hashtag how to get more views on YouTube. It's so simple. So depending on your niche, that's what you are going to write. So after the description, your location should be shown to United States because United States you are going to really get views from there, and when you are monetized you are going to make a lot of money. And related video, I've linked my short video to the long video that I took in the short from. Yes, I think we are almost done, and this is the important part. You move to add tags, then you tap on the add tags. You are going to add this: how to get more views, how to get views on YouTube, how to get monetized, a lot, much as you can, a lot. This makes it easy for the YouTube algorithm to know what your video is talking about. You understand me? Okay. So when you are done filling all your details, please don't be in a rush to upload. You go through, after that you upload. So if this video was useful to you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel